Hey guys, so I took a look at your draft and let me tell you, they are awesome. I am so proud. They are rock solid right now, but I still want to elevate you. So I want to focus on the very end, this part, that last step, your statement theme, because it was really good. You just stopped short. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to add on. I'll show you how. After your statement of theme, step one is to add either a think back or in our lives. Let me show you what both look like. Here's me using the think back technique. Remember that time you desperately wanted to fit in? How much of that could you control? I'm addressing the reader. Now, here's me using the in our lives. I'm actually going to start the sentence with in our lives. And when I do that, I say in our lives, belonging is crucial to self worth and identity. So after you give us a think back or an in our lives, step two is go ahead and tell us what do you think the author was trying to do with the theme here? So if this is what I already had, I can add on a sentence about the author. I'll say the author wants us, the reader, to remember that this as we move on in our lives after the book finishes. The final step, the last step, is to add a final sentence that begins with your theme. So, since my theme was belonging, I might say, belonging isn't just vital for Bijan, it's vital for us too. So, after your statement of theme, add a think back or an in our lives. Add a what was the author trying to do with a sentence that begins with the author, and add a final sentence that begins with your theme. Try this at the end of your first paragraph and at the end of your second paragraph. Give that a go. You got this.